want to be treated with honor, dignity, and respect.
The power to change this country is in your hands.
The world wants to know who is the next president of the United States of America.
Well, nation after nation are as anxious as the people of America for this answer as the November 3 election night is over.
This is history in the making, ladies and gentlemen.
The counting of votes has already finished in majority of states, but yet we have no clear winner. Going by the current stats, then Democratic candidate Joe Biden is leading with 264 votes and is just short of 6 electoral votes to meet the magic figure 270 and claim presidency. Meanwhile, incumbent President Donald Trump is trailing behind with 214 votes. So why can't we still see a clear winner? Well, the counting of votes is still underway in key battleground states, which include Nevada 6 electoral votes, Georgia 16 electoral votes, Pennsylvania with 20 electoral votes, and North Carolina 15 electoral votes. Now, in all these states, Trump is currently maintaining the lead except in Nevada. And if he wins in all these 4, then he will again be elected as President of the United States of America. And this is the reason why we have no clear winner even after 2 days of the election day. But this is not it. Another issue that could further drag the results to be declared is Trump going for a legal battle, as he is not convinced with the outcome in Wisconsin and Michigan. The President of the United States since Wednesday has been questioning the authenticity of the mail-in ballot votes, voicing his concern via social media. Let's look at the states that have already been called for Donald Trump: Alabama, Arkansas, Connecticut, Florida, Idaho, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, West Virginia, Wyoming. And now let's take a look at the states that have already been called for Joe Biden: California, Colorado, Delaware, District of Columbia, Hawaii, Maryland, Massachusetts, Minnesota, Michigan, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Rhode Island, Vermont, Virginia, Illinois, Wisconsin, and Washington. Even though the results are pretty clear in these states, no news organization or analysts have been called the election for either side, be it Republicans or Democrats, as everyone is waiting for the results in battleground states. So which are the key battleground states that will be kingmaker? Donald Trump will have to win all 4: Nevada, Georgia, Pennsylvania, and North Carolina. However, Joe Biden would need only 1 out of all these 4. While votes were being counted yesterday, Trump took to Twitter and said, "We are up big, but they are trying to steal the election. We will never let them do it. Votes cannot be cast after the polls are closed." However, his tweet was flagged by Twitter. The president in a presser said that they will be knocking the doors of the Supreme Court, as he wanted voting in the presidential elections to cease, hinting at fraud.
We can't let that happen to the United States of America. It's not a question of who wins, Republican, Democrat, Joe, myself. We can't let that happen to our country. We can't be disgraced by having something like this happen.
Now let's speak about the current status. With all the developments on one side, Biden has said that they are winning enough states to win the election, while Trump is appealing to stop the count and preparing for a legal fight in the US Supreme Court. So everything now depends on key battleground states, as Joe Biden is just 1 state win away, while Trump would need all the 4.
I said, what happened to the election? It's off.
Thank you all for your patience, but we have to count the votes. God bless you all, and thank you so much.
For India TV Digital, Shashwat Bhandari's report.